Hi guys, welcome back. It's the beginning of October and I want to do something really cool here for the channel. So, of course, you guys know I'm a lover of tarot, have been since the early 90s. Started becoming a really avid tarot student in 2004. I became a professional tarot reader in 2010, and then shortly thereafter a tarot teacher where I created a 3-week course, then a 6, and then an 8, and now in 2019 it's actually extending into an even longer 9-week tarot course. And I created this channel not because I wanted to worry about doing readings for people or trying to teach in a classroom setting, but to just be able to share my love of tarot and especially all of the decks that I've been collecting, because I'm also a very avid collector of things in general, whether it's crystals or books or cards or records. I do love collecting things, and especially the cards lend themselves to that because there's all kinds of new amazing decks coming out all the time, especially ones that are put out specifically by the artists themselves, and you can find a lot of those on Kickstarter. And I just think it's really cool to be able to help an artist see their project come to fruition. Yes, she approves. And then there's also very, very rare decks. Sometimes ones that, they come out and then just once they're gone, they're not reprinted. And sometimes those decks are actually very important in the history of tarot, or they influence decks that come after them. So I have my wish list of ones that I'm looking for, waiting for them to show up on eBay for a reasonable price. And so I have some decks like that. So when I started this as an unboxing channel, I thought that I'd be able to keep up with the collection and just be able to show you guys those as I receive them. But something has happened over the last couple of years, and I want to show you that now. So see this? This entire stack is all tarot decks. I can't even begin to tell you guys how many are there, but you can see it's a lot. So here's what I propose. I'm not the kind of person to do things halfway. I do things well when I am under a great deal of stress, and I'm just the kind of person who likes to set the bar very, very high and use that as momentum to shoot myself up and over it. So what I'm going to propose today is 30 decks in 30 days. That's right, I'm going to film a video and put a video out for you guys every single day in October. We're going to look at and open 30 different decks. So you're going to see brand new decks that just came out that you might not have even seen yet. You're going to see super old decks. You're going to see rare decks. I'm even going to include a couple of the decks that are the most expensive decks I've ever purchased. No, not ones where I got ripped off, ones where I actually did pay the money for super rare, valuable decks. So it's all coming up this month. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned, and I'll see you tomorrow for deck number 1.